आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So today's question is Pt1 plus Qt2 are points T1 and T2 on the parabola y square equals to 4ax. The normals at the points P and Q meet on the parabola. Show that the midpoint of PQ lies on the parabola y square equals to 2a into x plus 2a. So in the parabola y square equals to 4ax. If we draw normals at 2 points T1 and T2 and they meet at T3, therefore we can say that T3 equals to minus T1 minus 2 upon T1. This will also be equal to minus T2 minus 2 upon T2. So from this we get that T1 plus 2 upon T1 is equal to T2 plus 2 upon T2. Now multiplying the whole equation by T1 into T2, we get T1 square into T2 plus 2T2 equals to T1 into T2 square plus 2T1. Now rearranging this equation, we'll get T1 T2 into T1 minus T2 equals to twice of T1 minus T2. So this gets cancelled out, and from here we get the value of T1 T2. Therefore T1 into T2 equals to 2. Now since the points P is T1 and Q is T2, therefore its coordinates will become a T1 square comma 2a T1, and Q will become a T2 square comma 2a T2. Now if the midpoint of these normals of PQ is h comma k, then we can say that 2h equals to a into T1 square plus T2 square. We can write this as 2h is equal to a into T1 plus T2 whole square minus 2 into T1 T2. Now for the y coordinate we'll get 2k is equal to 2a into T1 plus T2. So from here we'll get the value of T1 plus T2 equals to k upon a. Now if this is the first equation, then this equation will become 2h equals to a into T1 plus T2 is equal to k by a. Therefore we'll get k square upon a square, and we know that T1 into T2 is equal to 2. Therefore this will become minus 4. Now we'll replace h by x and k by y. So the final equation we'll have is 2x is equal to y upon a minus 4a. So rearranging this, this is y square. So rearranging this, the final equation will be y square is equal to 2a into x plus 2a. So this is the final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।